Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
我男朋友好靓的呀。
Hi, Max. Hi, Miranda.
真的好。
You're right. Max is looking really strong.
Malaki.
Want to see something even more impressive, Miranda?
Malibu, Okana, Okanama.
Really? You think you can move that heavy rock? Amazing! You'll have to push a bit harder, Max. Uh-oh. Oh no! Max is trapped in a cave!
怎么呢？
We'd better call for help. Hey, Maverick, what are you doing? You're training so you can be even faster. No more training for today. There's an emergency to get to. Max is trapped inside the forest cave. We need someone strong enough to move that big rock. Great idea. Let's see if Mike's free. Hi there, Mike.
Hey.
What are you doing? You're making a pond. Nice. Sorry about that, Mike, but there's an emergency. Max is trapped. Can you come and help? Thanks. It's okay, Max. Help is on the way. Reckon you could move that rock, Mike? It's not working. We need Max to push the rock out a bit so Mike can move it out of the way? Hey, Mike, did you hear that? Okay, let's give it a go. That's it, Max. Keep going. Just a bit more, Max. Then Mike can take over. Well done, Max. Mike, Maverick thinks you'll be able to move the rock now. Oh, you're all scratched and bruised.
男朋友好靓的。
Good job. Miranda's here to fix you. Sure, Mike. You're free to go and finish making your pond now. First, First, let's get some ointment on your injuries. How about some bandages next? Great job, Miranda. What now?
تمام أنا.
You want to help Mike fill his new pond to say thanks for rescuing you? Good idea. Lead the way, Maverick. See you next time, monster trucks.
Marty and Max seem to be enjoying the snow. Wow! That was a nice trick, Marty. You've got another to show us? You're going to use that snowdrift as a ramp? But Marty, you don't know where you'll land. Oh no! Marty's stuck.
Allez-vous, au canard.
You're right, Max. We better ask Maverick to come. Quick! Sorry to spoil your fun, guys, but there's an emergency. Marty did a snowboard stunt off the side of the hill, and now he's stuck in a deep pile of snow. Are you hoping Mike will be able to dig through the snow with his shovel? It doesn't look like he's here. Wait, there he is. Mike! We need you to help with a snow rescue. It's an emergency. Max, tell them what happened. Marty's totally buried in snow now, except for his fin. Maverick's right. Marty will already be freezing. The fastest way to reach him is for Mike to do the same jump and then push him out of the snow from behind.
Oh.
You don't look confident, Mike. Maverick and Max will come with you, and Max says you can use his board. Don't worry, you'll pick it up in no time. Great, you guys make sure he doesn't fall. Ready to begin, Mike? Easy does it, Mike. Take your time. Oops. Never mind. You're still safe. Nice turn, Mike. Looks like he's already getting the hang of it.
Hey.
Awesome! You're starting to enjoy this, aren't you? Okay, here comes the big jump. Ready to go for it?
Oh.
Amazing! He's doing tricks just like Marty. And he's managed to land in just the right spot. It's very quiet. Do you think everything's okay? Let's hope you're wrong. It'd be awful if they were both stuck now. What? Can you see something?
Wow.
It's them! It worked! You did an amazing job, Mike. You rode like a pro. But he couldn't have done it without your encouragement, guys. Well done, everyone. Oh, Marty, you look freezing. Time for everyone to go home and get warm.
Hey.
What is it, Mike? Something wrong? You want to do more snowboarding? Well now, who'd have thought it? Have a great afternoon, everyone. See you all next time.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey guys, are you? Sorry, I'll let you concentrate. Uh-oh, you got all tangled up. What a mess! Maybe we should get Maverick to help. Hey Maverick, practicing your long jump for the Monster Town Olympics?
Hey.
That was very good. But can you help Milo, Mitch, and Max?
Hey.
They got their ropes tangled up playing skittle ball. You think you can help? All right, let's go! Mo, is that the best way to carry paint? Mo, can you help us out? Milo, Mitch, and Max got all tangled up. Thanks, Mo. Mo, you'd better put those down. Hey guys, Maverick and Mo are here to get you untangled.
You have an idea, Mo? Okay, we're gonna need some more space then.
Hey.
Okay, Mo needs to work something out. You guys think you can manage this?
Oh. Hey.
Guys, you did it! Thanks for your help, guys! What are you guys gonna do now? You wanna go bowling? Sounds fun! Bye-bye, everyone! Hey, Max, practicing the long jump? You've been watching the Olympics? That's a great idea, Maverick! A Monster Town Olympics! You're going to set one up? Sounds like a fun day!
Yay!
What are you doing, Maverick? Oh, you're looking for Mia so she can help.
Whoa!
You found her? Hey, Mia! Maverick wants to set up an Olympics. Can you help? Awesome! Thanks, Mia! Okay, so there are 3 events, and Mo is going to be the judge. That okay, Mo? What's first? A sprint? All right.
Are you guys ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Maverick, you were the clear winner. Right, Mo?
Whoa!
What's next, Mo? The high jump? All right. Mia won that, right, Mo? Are you ready for the long jump? You have to jump where the track stops, okay? Three, 2, 1, go! What? Max won the long jump? Good work, guys. How did you do that, Max? I guess practice does make perfect. You didn't win the long jump? Maverick, you can't win everything. And you had fun, didn't you? You're a good sport, Maverick. Besides, these weren't the only competitions. We'll do some more another time, right, guys? All right. See you next time, guys.